Hello and welcome back to another edition of the Laughing Place Video News Update. I'm Becca Burbank, here to bring you the latest Disney parks, movies, and TV news for November 13th, 2020. First up this week, yesterday the Walt Disney Company announced their Q4 and fiscal year 2020 earnings results. In a conference call that followed, CEO Bob Chapek offered a few interesting tidbits about the current Disney parks operations. First, he revealed that the Walt Disney World theme parks had recently increased from operating at 25% capacity to 35%. This is the result of the parks making efficiency adjustments, such as adding plexiglass dividers to Rise of the Resistance and other rides to accommodate more riders. Also notable was that Walt Disney World, Shanghai Disneyland, and Hong Kong Disneyland are all operating at a small profit for now. In the case of Walt Disney World, the resort is also currently booked at 77% of its reduced capacity for the rest of the calendar year and is nearly full for the Thanksgiving holiday. For a full recap of Disney's earnings call, be sure to visit laughingplace.com or check out the description box down below for a link. While the Premier Access upgrade that accompanied Mulan's debut on Disney Plus was meant to be a one-off event, Bob Chapek has hinted that this format will play a role in Disney's streaming business in the future. During the earnings call, Chapek noted that, although the Mulan film ran into controversy upon its release, the company was impressed with the early results of Premier Access. In turn, it's expected that we'll hear more about how Premier Access will be utilized for future releases when Disney holds its Investor Day on December 10th, so stay tuned. At long last, Marvel's Phase 4 is about to begin. This week, Disney Plus announced that WandaVision, the first MCU series, would arrive on the platform January 15th. While that's a bit after the late 2020 window that the service announced a mere few weeks ago, it still means we're only a few weeks away from seeing what wild world Wanda Maximoff has created. WandaVision is said to be blending classic television and comic book adventure into something truly unique, so get ready for an experience this January. In the meantime, Disney Plus has other original content debuting in December. This includes all-new Christmas comedy Grandmothered, which premieres on December 4th, the uplifting sports drama Safety, touching down on December 11th, and the ballet docuseries On Point, tiptoeing onto the service on December 18th. Although Disneyland and Disney California Adventure remained closed, another part of the Disneyland resort is set to reopen. Starting December 6th, the villas at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa will reopen to guests. At this time, however, only Disney Vacation Club members will be able to book stays. In fact, the Disneyland Resort recently confirmed that it is no longer accepting hotel reservations for dates before the end of the year. DVC members wishing to secure their stay at the villas at Disney's Grand Californian can find more details on DisneyVacationClub.com. Over to Walt Disney World, it has been announced that the immensely popular singing group Voices of Liberty will be featured during the 2021 Taste of EPCOT International Festival of the Arts. During the special event, the group will take the stage at America Gardens Theater for a new showcase titled the Disney Songbook. Each performance will feature tunes from your favorite Disney films, while also celebrating the artistry of the composers and lyricists behind them. The Taste of EPCOT International Festival of the Arts will take place from January 8th through February 22nd, 2021. Finally this week, the world recently lost beloved Jeopardy host Alex Trebek to pancreatic cancer. The 80-year-old was said to have continued filming the iconic show until less than 2 weeks before his passing, fighting through the disease since being diagnosed last year. As a result, new episodes featuring Trebek will air through December 25th. In addition to helming the syndicated show since 1984, EPCOT fans will also remember his appearance in the Ellen's Energy Adventure attraction alongside Ellen DeGeneres and Jamie Lee Curtis. In a tweet sharing remembrance of Trebek, Disney Executive Chairman Bob Iger wrote, "We mourn the loss of Alex Trebek, a friend, a colleague, an icon. He graced us with warmth, wit, and pure elegance, which is why we welcomed him into our homes night after night, year after year. We are deeply saddened for his wife Jean, his family, and millions of Jeopardy fans." And that will do it for this week's Laughing Place Video News Update. For more on the latest news from around the Walt Disney Company, be sure to visit laughingplace.com and subscribe to our channel right here on YouTube. Until next time, bye-bye!